Dito naman tayo sa time machine. Take time para masahin mo. Have you ever felt lost for a moment and I could think for yourself? My world seems to be the same, surrounded by cameras of where you look, but you will always find the exit and walk the line. Trying to find the light in your time machine, and you will find time travel allowing you to travel from now to the future and explore the new universe. Tara, pasukin natin yung mirror maze kung makakalabas pa ba tayo. Para. Left. Right. Sana ba to? Ano na kayo? Asa na kaya tayo? Kakalabas tayo dito. Kaya natin to. Kaya natin to. Nasaan na ba yung exit? Wala. Dead end. Balik. Nasaan na kaya? Ayun! Yay! And we're